Hello class, welcome back to Transactions, Grammar Part, Past Tense. Today we are going to analyze past tense of English grammar. See, when you studied grammar in your elementary schools, you might have felt like it's boring, but here we are understanding only the practical side of past tense, no technical concepts, no jargons and all. So let's just understand the basics of past tense. Please understand verbs or actions can be classified into two categories, regular and irregular. Regular verbs, as you all know, are having two forms, work and worked. Worked belongs to past tense or something happened previously or something happened before, cleaned, walked, everything. And we have another set irregular verbs like go, write, take, buy, and all those verbs can be called as irregular verb. And the difference is that the past tense of irregular verbs will be different from the base word. For example, went is the past of go, wrote is the past of write, took is the past of take. It's an easy concept. I think all of you are familiar with this. But understand these two. Walked can be split in this format. Did plus walk is equal to walked. And same manner, did plus go can be went. We can also write in this format. When we add a did to some base verb, it will be resulting in another past tense format. So, for example, when we add a did to go, sounds went. And when we add a did to walk, it sounds walked. I think this is what about all about regular and irregular verbs. Now let's see what happens in the past tense. Past tense, as far as past tense is concerned, all of us will be having one confusion: where to apply past. So let me tell you, past tense is the tense we use to narrate stories. We use to describe something happened in the past. Past in the sense yesterday, maybe last week, maybe last month, maybe last year, and maybe 500 years back. For everything we use past tense. Don't ever use have or has for past tense instead of past tense. That are entirely different. For example, you missed the bus yesterday. You can say you missed the bus yesterday. Not I have missed the bus yesterday. That's wrong because have is a different category. For the past tense, we have to use always simple past. Everything that happened just a few moments back. Okay, and have has will be explained later. You need not worry about now. So let's have a representation. Here, see, this is now, or rather, the moment of speaking. Whatever happened here, just one moment back, just a few hours back, just a few years back, everything comes on past tense. Okay, no more confusion, I think. And another happy news is that I, we, you, they, he, she, everything will be joined with the simple past on the same worked or ed format. No more differences. Okay, and understand we cannot attach any time frame with the has and have. Unlike past tense, we have to attach, or rather we can attach time frame in the sense this one last week or yesterday with the past tense only. I have submitted assignment last week. That's wrong 100% wrong, because you cannot say something that happened in the last week with has or have. Okay, now let's move to the examples. See, affirmative, the main sentence. I or we, you, he, it, they. Okay, everything. They studied maths in a school. This is the past tense. They studied maths in a school. Very simple. And the negative of the same is they did not study maths in a school. Not studied. Okay. See the difference? Here it was studied. Here it is study. Because the did as taken out from the verb. did is here. So don't ever say I did not studied maths. That's wrong because already we have did here. So they did not study maths in school because we took that did from here and we formed did here. We put did here. And a WH question is very easy again. What did they study in school? Because we had just a what here and added this one. And yes or no question. Did they study maths in school? And the responses can be yes, they did, no, they didn't, depending upon the situation. And now let's say another example. This is not a regular verb, this is a regular verb. Regular verb, as I told you in the beginning slide, went is go plus did. Okay, it's there within the word. Okay, then let's check the base word, base sentence. I went to Ooty from college. We went to Ooty from college. So the negative is that we did not go Ooty from college because we just split these words, just did plus go, and did is here, go is here. They did not go Ooty from college. That is the way to form negative sentence. And a WH, did they go from college? Yes or no question. Did they go Ooty from college? And short responses, yes, they did. No, they didn't. Now you can just frame 5 or 2 sentences to this table. That's why I left this column blank. You have to just keep 5 or 6 sentences in the same format. Then you will understand how it works. And after doing that, you have a few exercises here. Make simple past negative sentences. Please create a negative sentence for this one. My father taught English on IIT. So how to form negative? We had to put not. So my father taught English on IIT. First of all, we had to split this taught. What is taught? Taught means did plus teach. Teach, the past form of teach. Okay. And so did plus teach. And when we add not, we have to say my father did not teach English on IIT. It goes all the same like. And yes or no question. Let's see what happens in WH question. You just make an answer that make a question in which answer is this one, underlined one. So when did Naina submit assignments? Submit, and we are just splitting this word. So did plus submit is submitted. So we took just a did. When, because this is time, right? So when did Naina submit assignments? Okay, now you try doing all these 6, and after you can refer internet, you will understand better. Thank you.